Nagdiwang ng kanyang ikapitong kaarawan ang bunsong anak ni Marjorie Barreto na si Erich na kung tawagin nila ay Little Princess. Ipinagama naman ni Marjorie ang pagmamahal ng pamilya sa anak dahil ayon sa kanya, napaka-sweet, super charming, funny at intelligent ang Little Princess nila. Nagbigay naman ng mensahe si Marjorie Barreto para sa anak at ito ang kanyang sinabi, "I love you with all my heart and soul." Samantala, si Junior Barreto ay ito naman ang sinabi, "I don't know life without you, Bunny. You are the greatest blessing to the family." Nagbigay din ng kanilang mensahe sina Danny at Claudia sa pamamagitan ng pagpo-post ng larawan kasama si Erich. Every day, since the day she was born, I would whisper to her, "Thank you, Lord, for giving me Erich." When she was about 3 years old, she would excitedly complete my sentence. I would say, "Thank you, Lord, for giving me." Then she would shout, "Erich!" Ano ba?